Welcome to Warrior Quiz.
In this video 50 quiz question about 30 gauge. 10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
What does .30 caliber mean? Yes, bullet size. Which rifle uses .30-06? Of course, M1 Garand. What is .308's origin? Exactly NATO. Which is rimmed .30 round? Yes, .30-30. What's .300 Win Mag? No. Of course, power. .30-30 often used for? Exactly, dear. .308 suitable for what range? Yes, medium. .30-06 first appeared in. Of course, 1906. .300 Win Mag stands for? Exactly, Winchester Magnum. .308 bullet size in inch. Yes, 0.308. .30-30 rifle type. Of course, lever. .308 used in which rifle? Exactly, AR-10. .30-06 commonly used for? Yes, hunting. .308 case type. Of course, rimless. .300 Win Mag case length. Exactly long. .30-30 powder load. Yes, medium. .308 base rifle action. Of course, short. .30-06 action type. Exactly long. .300 Win Mag recoil. Yes, heavy. .30-30 rifle feed type. Of course, tube. .308 velocity range. Exactly 2,600 frames per second. .30-06 bullet weight. Yes, 150 GR. .30-30 best use distance. Of course, 200 yards. .308 good for hunting. Exactly, yes. .300 Win Mag origin. Yes, USA.
.308K space. Of course, NATO. .30-30 made by. Exactly, Winchester. .30-06 military history. Yes, World War I. .300 Win Mag barrel life. Of course, medium. .308 twist rate common. Exactly, 110. .30-30 bullet shape. Yes, flat. .30-06 recoil level. Of course, strong. .308 pressure type. Exactly, high. .300 Win Mag energy. Yes, high. .30-30 barrel length. Of course, 20 in. .308 barrel type. Exactly medium. .30-06 primer type. Yes, large. .300 Win Mag bolt type. Of course, long. .30-30 classic rifle model. Exactly 1894. .308 rifle model. Yes, AR-10. .30-06 powder type. Of course, rifle. .300 Win Mag bullet type. Exactly, Spitzer. .308 common rifle brand. Yes, Remington. .30-30 typical sight. Of course, iron. .30-06 range limit. Exactly, 1,000 yards. .308 accuracy level. Yes, high. .30-30 case type. Of course, rimmed. .300 Win Mag best for. Exactly, long range. .30-06 muzzle velocity. Yes, 2,700 frames per second. .308 still in use. Of course, yes.
I hope you get more questions, subscribe my channel, and get more points.